Axie Jabber value equivalent to $4.9899 a coin. The present exchange cost range, Jabber 50590. The earlier day closed Jibber. The change was plus 0.1170 Jabber. Backwards rate Jibber to AXS. Dollar to Jibber Infinity conjecture for February 2025. Before all else cost at 0.251 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.251 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS conjecture toward the month's end Jabber, change for February 13.1%. USD to AXS Jibber for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.218. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.260 change for spring Jabber. Dollar to Jabber Infinity gauge for April 2025. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Jabber cost 0.278 while low 0.242. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.258. Change for April Jibber. USD to AX expectation for May Jabber. At the Jibber cost at 0.258 coins. Excessive cost 0.267 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS Jibber toward the month's end 0.249. Change for May 3.5%. Dollar to Axie Infinity Jibber for June 2025. At the Jabber cost at 0.249 coins. Excessive cost 0.257 while low Jibber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.242. The USD to AXS figure toward the month's end 0.239. Change for Jibber 4.0%. USD to AXS Jibber for July 2025. Initially cost at 0.239 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.247 while low Jabber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.233. The USD to AXS figure toward the Jabber end 0.3 change for July 3.8%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for August Jibber. Before all else cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.230 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS figure toward the Jabber end 0.23 change for August 11.7%. USD to AXS expectation for September Jibber. Jibber cost at 0.203 coins. Excessive cost 0.203 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS figure toward the month's end Jibber. Change for September 13.8%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for October Jibber. First in Jibber cost at 0.175 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.181 while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AS estimate toward the month's end Jabber change for October 4.0%. Jibber to AXS expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 0.168 Jabber, excessive cost Jibber while low 0.136. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.154. The USD to AXS figure toward the month's end Jibber change for November 13.7%. Dollar to Axie Jibber figure for December 2025. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.118. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.134. The USD to AXS figure toward the Jibber end 0.126, change for December minus 13.1%. U to Jibber expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber, while low 0.101. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS conjecture toward the month's end 0.108, change for January Jabber. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for Jabber 2026. Before all else cost at 0.18 Jibber. Jabber cost 0.16, while low 0.101. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the Jibber end 0.108, change for February 0.0%. USD to AXS expectation for Walk Jabber. In the first place cost at 0.108 Jibber. Jabber cost 0.112, while low 0.097. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The Jibber to AXS estimate toward the month's end 0.104, change for spring minus 3.7%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for Jabber 2026. First in Jibber cost at 0.104 coins, exorbitant cost 0.111, while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS estimate toward the month's end, 0.103, change for Jibber 1.0%. USD to Jabber expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 0.103 Jabber, Jibber cost 0.128, while low 0.103. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.13. The USD to AXS figure toward the Jabber end 0.119, change for May 15 to 5%. Dollar to Jabber Infinity Gauge for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.119 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jabber, while low 0.119. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS estimate toward the Jabber end 0.137, change for June 15.1%. Jabber to AXS expectation for July 2026. First and foremost, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.156, while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jabber to AXS figure toward the month's end 0.145, change for July 5.8%. Dollar to Axie Jabber figure for August 2026. Jibber cost at 0.145 coins. Jibber cost 0.178, while low 0.145. Arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.158. The Jabber to AXS figure toward the month's end 0.165, change for August 13.8%. Jabber to AXS expectation for September 2026. Before all else, cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber, while low 0.165. Arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.181. The USD to AXS conjecture toward the Jabber end 0.189, change for September 14, 5%. Dollar to Axie Infinity Jabber for October 2026. Before all else, cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber, while low 0.152. Arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS Jibber toward the month's end 0.163, change for October 13.8%. USD to AXS Jibber for November 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.163 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.203, while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the Jabber end 0.189, change for November 16, 0%. Dollar to Jibber Infinity Gauge for December 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.189 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jabber, while low 0.189. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS estimate toward the month's end Jabber, change for December 19.0%. Jibber to AXS expectation for January 2027. First and Jibber cost at 0.225 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.288, while low Jabber. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jibber estimate toward the month's end 0.268, change for January 19.1%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for February Jabber. To start with, cost at Jabber coins. Jibber cost 0.325, while low 0.268. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.32, change for Jibber 12.7%. USD to AXS expectation for walk Jibber. First and Jibber cost at 0.302 coins. Jibber cost 0.386, while low 0.32. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber estimate